I am going to review the best 3D printer in the market for this year.
Welcome to our channel, the only place to find the best products for buyers who want to save their time and stress of figuring out what to buy. Out of many products, we have tried our best to highlight both the merits and demerits of the products, and in the last, based on our observation, we have shown the best product that will not go worthless. What we consider for selecting a particular product are brand reputation, ease of use and flexibility, durability, price, as well as customer feedback. If you watch this video until its end, then it will be you who must feel that this video has contributed much on taking decision which product to buy, and ultimately this will lead you to pick the best one. Last but not the least, that we also want your hard-earned money to be used for the purchase of the best ranked and well-performed product.
At number 1, we have the FlashForge Finder 3D printers. This printer is designed to function at a low noise level of about 50 decibels. This makes it usable in various conditions. It features an intelligent leveling system or calibration detection system. This directs users on leveling the printer and alerts them when everything is in order. A build plate with a slide-in design makes it possible for users to take the complete 3D print with minimal possibility of damage. The build plate is non-heated, making it safe for use. The printer supports the use of a flash drive, Wi-Fi, and USB connectivity, and a 3.5-inch full-color touchscreen makes the operation of the printer a breeze. At number 2, we have the Dremel Digilab 3D20 printer. This 3D printer has a fully enclosed design essential in producing a stable temperature and protects children from the work area. The full-color LCD touchscreen makes it easy for users to scan through the available functions on the printer. Using the printer's open-source system, users can access, download, and print free models from the internet to test the printer's capability. There is free cloud-based slicing software and a 1-year warranty on the product. At number 3, we have the FlashForge 3D Printer Creator Pro. This printer has an enclosed chamber that insulates and offers protection to the ABS prints. The design features a sturdy metal frame that makes this printer more stable than others with a wooden frame. A 10mm guide rod is present on the printer to ensure the Z-axis movement is precise and eliminates any possibility of deforming on the platform arm. The use of a 6.3mm thick aviation-level aluminum plate is crucial in avoiding warping from the heat and keeping it flat. The printer is compatible with various filaments, including elastic, metal-filled filament, ABS, PLA, PETG, and many more. At number 4, we have the Monoprice-113860 3D printer. This printer supports the use of open-source software, and this gives users flexibility in their printing experience. To provide users a quick start, this printer ships fully assembled, and a microSD card is available with pre-installed models that you can try out. In addition to microSD card support, the printer also supports USB and Wi-Fi connectivity options. The design features an all-metal nozzle, an insulated heated build plate, and the main board cooling fan. The printer is designed to work with any filament, and the small size makes it an easy fit in small spaces. At number 5, we have the Vinci wireless 3D printer. This printer comes with CAD and slicing software with a user-friendly UI that makes it easy to use for printing and modeling. The design of the PLA filament on this printer involves the use of natural materials such as sugarcane and corn that are non-toxic, making them suitable for home use. There is support for Wi-Fi connectivity on this printer, and colored LEDs are present to give users information on the status of the printer. At number 6, we have the Monoprice-113860 printer. This printer has an extrusion nozzle and print bed that supports 3D printing over a wide range of temperatures. It is an open-source printer and supports printing from sources connected through a Wi-Fi, SD card, or USB. It has a steel frame and an aluminum frame that is black and anodized to make it durable for various conditions. It has an auto-calibration feature that ensures the bed is always level before use. The printer is lightweight for easy portability and ships in a fully assembled state for a quick start after purchase.
Halfway of our list, I really appreciate your patience with keenness to watch this video, and also expect that you will definitely watch this video until it ends. Check out the links in the video description to get other information on each product. Thanks for watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest videos in the future.